Hello friends. Here it is Alexa, and in this outlet box a device is installed which has an ESP Rainmaker sketch. Today I am going to connect the ESP Rainmaker with Alexa. So I click and start the Rainmaker Android application. I'm going in the settings. Over there you can see a voice service option is available there. I am selecting Amazon Alexa. Here I click the link to Amazon Alexa. So now options are there. You can link to ESP Rainmaker with Alexa. I am going to connect it by using my Google account. Now I'll select the Google account from which I want to log in with Alexa. Now it is asking for the password. The password is secret, so I'm going to make the portion of the video blur to keep it secret. It is giving two-step verification, so a code will be sent by SMS. And now entering the code I received. Here it is. Now you can see Amazon Alexa is not connected with ESP Rainmaker, but it is giving some error. Now I am going to my Amazon Alexa application, and in this application I am going to Devices. Then click on Your Smart Home Skills. Then I clicked Enable Smart Home Skills. Number of skills are available over there. Then I searched for the skill for the Rainmaker. We have found the skill for the ESP Rainmaker, and we have clicked on Enable to Use. Then after some processing it shows that your ESP Rainmaker account has been successfully linked. So now Amazon Alexa is connected with the Rainmaker. Now click on the Next. Alexa automatically starts searching for the devices which are connected. It is taking time, so I'm making this portion of the video fast forward. Now after completion of the searching process it has discovered 8 devices connected. Then click the Next. Here it is showing the 8 discovered devices. Then I selected one of the devices and clicked on the Setup device. Now it goes on the next page, which is showing the available groups which I have already created. And now I am selecting the group name Living Room to add this device to the group. Then it is showing the message that the fan headed in the living room group, and we may continue. In the same way, one by one we will add all the available devices in the group name Living Room. It will take a bit of time, so I'm making this portion fast forward. Now this Alexa app is showing what I can do with my switches and telling how we can use all devices. Then I clicked on Get Started. Then it takes me to another page which shows, what device do you want to use for this introduction? Then I click on Brainstorm's Echo Dot.
Welcome to your new Switch 5. Now that you have completed the setup, let's get you started with a few things to try. You can say stop at any time. You can turn on your smart switch from this device. Try saying turn on Switch 5.
Turn on Switch 5.
Here's something different to try. We can now turn off your smart switch. Try saying turn off Switch 5.
Turn off Switch 5. Alexa, turn on Switch 2. Alexa, turn off Switch 2. Alexa, turn on Switch 3. Alexa, turn off Switch 3. So here I have connected ESP Rainmaker with the Amazon Alexa to operate smart home devices with the voice command. Hope you liked this video and learned something new. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up and comment if you want to know something more. Thanks for watching.